So first of all, let us open Eclipse. Under Eclipse, we'll choose the existing workspace. So in the existing workspace, we can see the project 1. Now we'll create a new Maven project. Now in this Maven project, at the top checkbox, we can see skip archetype selection. Okay. So in the first attempt, let's create a Maven project with archetype. I will leave it unchecked. Now we'll choose the default work location. Let's click on next. Now under this archetype, we'll change the catalog to Maven Central. Under catalog, we'll change the filter to maven-archetype-simple. Now 3 options came. We'll choose the org Apache one. Let's click on next again. Now we'll give the group ID. So in group ID, let us keep it as org.sample, and under artifact ID, we'll keep it as mbn with arc. Now the package name we can see with the concatenation org.sample and maven mbn with arc. Now we can see the download has been started. So it will take few minutes again, and once the download will be done, we can see the project hierarchy along with all the JUnit dependencies to be updated in the POM. Now in this download, it will ask yes. So let's pass Y here, and the build is success. Now we can see MBN with Arc project is showing up under Package Explorer. So let's open this one. Here we can see src main Java having MBN with Arc one package, and even app.java file. Under app.java file, we can see there is hello world to be printed. Now let's check for src test Java. Now if you see src test Java, it also has the package, and under this package app test file is there. Now let's check the system libraries. Under system libraries, we can see all the Java and JDK libraries showing up. Let's check the POM XML. Under POM XML, we can see all the group ID, artifact ID, versions which we have given at the time of creating the Maven project. The same is reflecting here. So let's be very precise while giving these names, for which this will be helpful for creating a framework. And under dependencies, we can see the JUnit dependency is showing up as it is a JUnit project. So the JUnit dependency is showing up here, and also we can see all the Maven plugins. Now any new dependencies, we can add those dependencies over there. We can see the same on the next video. While configuring Selenium, we'll add the dependency for Selenium. Now let's create another project without archetype to see the difference in between these two. Under Maven project, this time we'll choose the checkbox for skip archetype selection. We'll again add it to the working sets. Now here we'll give the group ID same as org.sample, and we'll give the artifact ID as Maven without arc. Now in the name, I will keep it same with the artifact ID. So we'll simply copy and paste it here. Now under description, we'll put it as Maven without archetype. Let's click on finish now. And here there is no download happened, as there is no template we have chosen, as it is without archetype. So directly we can see the project under Package Explorer. Let's open this. Now in this we can see src main Java, src main resources, src test Java, src test resources, but neither of them does have any Java file. Under libraries, again the same, we can see Java and JDK libraries. Now let's open the POM file. Now in this POM file, there is no dependencies or plugins available. Now let's open both the POM files side by side, by which we can get better clarity. So if we'll maximize this, we can see all the group ID, artifact ID, whichever we gave without arc, that much only showing up in the POM for Maven without archetype project. But Maven with arc, here we can see group ID, artifact ID, versions, along with the dependency for JUnit and even the plugins for Maven. So these are the major differences in between a archetype and a non-archetype project. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.